If you're a Canadian trying to decide between a TFSA and an RRSP, you're not alone, and choosing the wrong one can cost you thousands over time. In this video, I'll explain the difference between a TFSA and an RRSP in simple terms, who each one is best for, and how beginners in Canada should decide where to start. What is a TFSA? Let's start with the TFSA, the tax-free savings account. Despite the name, a TFSA is not just a savings account. It's a container that can hold savings, investments, ETFs, stocks, and more. The key benefit is this: any money you make inside a TFSA is tax-free. You contribute with money you've already paid tax on, but when you withdraw, whether it's interest, dividends, or investment growth, you don't pay tax. You can also take money out at any time for any reason without penalties. This makes the TFSA very flexible and beginner-friendly. What is an RRSP? Now let's talk about the RRSP, the Registered Retirement Savings Plan. An RRSP works differently. When you contribute, you get a tax deduction. That means your taxable income goes down today. However, when you withdraw money later, usually in retirement, you pay tax on those withdrawals. RRSPs are designed for long-term retirement savings, not short-term goals. Taking money out early usually triggers taxes and withholding, so it's less flexible than a TFSA. TFSA versus RRSP, the core difference. Here's the simplest way to remember it. TFSA, pay tax now, grow and withdraw tax-free later. RRSP, save tax now, but pay tax when you withdraw later. Neither is better in every situation. The best choice depends on your income, goals, and timing. Which one should beginners start with? For most beginners in Canada, a TFSA is usually the better place to start. Why? It's flexible. Withdrawals don't affect your taxes. You can use it for short, medium, or long-term goals. Mistakes are less costly. An RRSP tends to make more sense when you're in a higher tax bracket now and expect to be in a lower one later, such as during retirement. Let's look at a simple example. If you're early in your career, earning a moderate income and saving for multiple goals, emergency fund, investing, maybe a future home, a TFSA gives you flexibility and tax-free growth. On the other hand, if you're earning a higher income and want to reduce taxes today while saving specifically for retirement, an RRSP can be very powerful. Many Canadians eventually use both, but the order matters. Here are a few common mistakes beginners make. Assuming a TFSA is just a savings account, using an RRSP without understanding future taxes, over-contributing and triggering penalties, guessing instead of planning. Understanding the basics first helps you avoid these costly errors. Here's a quick rule of thumb. Lower or moderate income, start with TFSA. Higher income, consider RRSP. Unsure or need flexibility, TFSA. You can always add an RRSP later as your income grows. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the Canadian Money Guide for clear, practical explanations about money in Canada. In future videos, we'll break down investing basics, credit cards, and common money decisions Canadians face. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.